Hi, in this problem you would see that we have block of ice which slides down a frictionless ramp at angle theta is equal to 50 degree while an ice worker pulls on the block through a rope. Okay, with a force, so the force is in this direction, right? And then the question says that that is a magnitude of 50 Newton, so this is 50 Newton force. Okay, and this distance d it covers is 0.5 meters, right, along the ramp. Its kinetic energy increases by 80 joules. So now the question part, they are saying how much greater the kinetic energy would have been if the rope had not been attached to the block. Okay. So now you would see that what is the work done by the rope. So work done by the rope, presuming this to be the this is the direction of displacement. So work done by the rope is F dot D. That is now there is a 180-degree angle between force and displacement. So this will be minus 50 into 0.5 joules, that is minus 25 joules. So if rope was not attached, then maybe whatever forces were there, which is actually the weight of the block, that looks to be the only force, and that would have probably not spent 25 joules on this negative force F, force which was against the motion. So the answer of this is 25 joules. Kinetic energy would have been more. Thank you.